What happens when the biggest things in the universe meet the smallest? Black holes, the Big Bang, places where our best theories break down. Quantum gravity is the search for one theory to explain it all. I am Princess Anseda. With me is Cassandra Faith, and we'll be your presenters for this Pecha Kucha on quantum gravity. Quantum gravity is about bringing together the two big ideas in physics: general relativity, which explains gravity and the universe on a large scale, and quantum mechanics, which explains how tiny particles behave. The problem is, they don't work well together in extreme places like black holes or the Big Bang. Quantum gravity began when scientists tried to combine two big theories: Einstein's relativity and quantum mechanics. Dirac made early attempts in the 1930s, but gravity didn't fit. In the 1960s, interest returned. Then came ideas like string theory and loop quantum gravity. These theories changed how scientists approach the problem. Dirac started in the 30s. In the 70s, Hawking linked black holes to quantum theory. The 80s saw string theory rise. In the 90s, loop quantum gravity appeared. Recently, ideas like the new holographic principle added new ways to look at space and time. Now, let's look at the key scientists behind these ideas. Einstein gave us relativity but couldn't merge it with quantum theory. Dirac tried. Hawking added black holes to the mix. Witten pushed string theory. Rovelli and Smolin led loop quantum gravity. Each one helped us move closer to quantum gravity. So, what is quantum gravity really about? Relativity explains big things. Quantum mechanics explains the tiny ones. But in black holes or the Big Bang, both fail. Quantum gravity tries to combine them into one theory. Some say space and time are made of tiny chunks at the smallest level. These ideas are reflected in some of the most important equations in physics. Einstein's equation shows how gravity bends space. Schrödinger's shows how quantum particles behave, but they don't work well together. The goal of quantum gravity is to find one equation that includes both. We can also see this in how we visualize each theory. Here, space-time bends around mass, that's relativity. Next to it, particles move randomly, that's quantum mechanics. Quantum gravity wants to unite these two images into one picture that makes sense together. Two major theories try to do just that. String theory says everything is made of tiny strings that vibrate at different frequencies. Loop quantum gravity suggests that space itself is made of loops. Both theories approach the same goal: a complete theory that includes gravity on a quantum level. So how do scientists actually build a theory like this? First, they see the conflict. Relativity and quantum mechanics don't mix. So, they rethink space and time not as smooth but pixelated. Then they test models like strings or loops to build a theory that works at the smallest scale.
For the key challenges, quantum gravity is hard to solve because general relativity and quantum mechanics work very differently. Their math doesn't match, and theories like string theory and loop quantum gravity don't always agree. Testing quantum gravity is tough because its effects happen at tiny scales or extreme places like black holes. We can't observe them directly yet, so most ideas remain unproven. In technological applications, quantum gravity theories have helped develop technologies like GPS and lasers. GPS relies on the general relativity, while lasers use quantum mechanics. Future research might lead to quantum sensors that detect gravitational waves and space-time changes. Quantum gravity helps us understand extreme cosmic events like black holes and the Big Bang, where current physics fall short. It aims to unify quantum mechanics and general relativity, and could answer big questions about space-time and even the possibility of multiple universes and the universe's origin. Quantum gravity has not led to direct consumer tech yet, but its root in quantum and gravitational theories power tools we use daily, like smartphones, MRIs, and GPS. As we learn more, future tech could be even more advanced thanks to these deep scientific foundations. Quantum gravity reflects our deep curiosity about the universe. It's more than just science. It's about wonder, imaginations, and the human drive to understand space, time, and existence. Each step forward brings us closer to the answer. Quantum gravity is challenging because it deals with tiny scales and high energy beyond current tech. Theories like string theory and loop quantum gravity are still debated, but research continues in physics and cosmology, pushing us closer to breakthroughs. Also, quantum gravity holds promise despite its challenges. New tech like quantum computing and space missions may help test these theories. But we must also consider the ethics of future discoveries. This field matters not just to scientists, but to anyone curious about the universe. Quantum gravity may feel far from daily life, but it's really about understanding the universe at its deepest level. It connects Einstein's idea with quantum mysteries, touching everything from black holes to the tech in our hands. More than science, it asks timeless human questions and invites us all to keep wondering,